we're supposed to be getting like major boat stuff done today. So I had to run to Walmart to get a couple of supplies to get those things done. So where are we?
Fort Pierce.
No, where are we?
Farmers market. Flea market, I think.
This is not Walmart. This was not my choice. This is him, who needs nothing from this place.
Yeah, but let's go and have a look. See what's here.
Okay, let's go see.
Pretty clean.
Okay, wait, I'm going back to review the video before I post it. And I did want that. I did want that little thing. And Steven wouldn't let me have it. He wouldn't have let me have it even if it was free, let alone $600. But I did want that because I thought I could mount that somewhere on the boat. And then when we get to these little islands in different countries, I could just pop it up, you know, into the dinghy, right to shore, and then drive around wherever I wanted to. But he was not on board with that either. Yeah, I don't miss those days at all. You need some tennis shoes? Is this the real reason we're here?
You can't beat them. Salty stuff started.
Is this the real reason why you wanted to come here?
Your future, I would need to do it at that.
That turned out to be more like a giant citywide yard sale. Let's connect my phone from the car so that it, anyway. You know how people do like the couponing stuff where they go and they buy like 50 bottles of laundry soap and 20 packs of diapers and dish soap for, you know, a whole case of it, and they get it for like a penny or something. And then, yeah, it looked like people had been doing that, and then they were reselling those products. Laundry soap, dish soap, diapers, wipes, body soaps, you know, household stuff. And then there were just like tarts on the ground everywhere with mountains of laundry. It gave me flashbacks to living on land when we had like 6 or 8 kids all the time, and there'd just be like a mountain of laundry on the couch all the time. That's what it looked like. And then, you know, basic garage sale stuff, people cleaning out their garage, tools, fishing poles. There was one guy that had brand new looking really nice fishing stuff, but we went there, we didn't know we were going there, so we didn't take cash, and it was cash only type thing. So anyway, will Steven go back on it, because apparently this happens frequently at this park. Will Steven go back probably with just him and Katie and some cash in hand? Maybe. Will I have a desire to go back? Probably not. It wasn't anything that we need. If you're, oh, I should have bought a couple of chairs. A couple of those chairs that they had to take down to the beach to do the kids' senior photos with, and then we could just ditch them after, put them in the trash later. I might go back and get me a chair or two to take to the beach for the kids to do senior photos on. Sometimes the beach, sometimes an alleyway if I can find a good place. But anyway, I need to do the kids' senior photos, is what I'm saying. And I could have got some props there. That's probably the only thing that would have benefited me there. Anyway, Steven had a great time though. He enjoyed looking at all the different stuff. There was one lady that had like 1,000 laundry baskets just in stacks. I guess she was selling. Anyway, yeah, not my thing, but hey, there's Ross. I'd go in there in a heartbeat. No, I won't. I don't need to go in Ross either.